Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add gradient in your text. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive right in. So in order to do that, let's first go to the elements and let's type in gradient, and you can choose any of the gradient you like. I'll choose this one, and what you're gonna do now is make it a full screen. Make it this the whole background. I guess this is just fine. So once you do that, let's type in like text, and let's type in something like okay, let's make this a bit bigger. So I want to make this text into the gradient, right? So in order to do that, let's type in this text, and there's an effect of transparency. So let's make it a little bit down. And now this is done. All you have to do is save this image. Just go to share and hit download, and wait for it to download. So once it's downloaded, you have to upload the file. Let's hit this one. Let's upload, and let's add these. Let's work on the other page. So yeah, as you can see, this. So what you got to do now is crop out the other part and go to this edit option over here, and here we have to work on this, like all the transparency, like the contrast and vibrancy and stuff. Let's make it 100. Saturation, highlight. So you can see that the text has been more gradient. It has adapted to the background, and yeah, contrast. This is how you add gradient to the text. You can simply copy this, duplicate this, add this to different thing, stuff like that. Yeah. Group, and once you group that, you can simply copy and paste. So yeah, there are two. Likewise, you can edit and stuff like that. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.